The B.Sc chemistry is a 4-year program, and these are the courses you are expected to register for the first semester. Although 21 units of them are required of you to pass. So how is it done actually? 2 units costs 2,000 naira to register. 3 units cost 2,005. 1 unit and 2 units is actually 2,000. So course registration is the fee you pay for the textbooks or the course materials. So as we know them here, so if you sum them up with exam fee is flat. For each course you have to register it for exams. Sum them up, 2,000 plus 1,000, it will give you 3,000. But then for 3 units courses, 3,500. If you sum all of the registration fees up, you have 40,500. But you will not be able to register up to 26. You have a maximum of 24 to register. So one of these courses will be dropped and maybe taken the next semester, or not at all, depends. So you have 76,500 as your fee because of this 36,000 here, which is the first compulsory fee for every undergraduate student in NOUN. It's 76,500, the total fee. Your money does not expire, even if there's something that's left in your portal. Okay, so then we have the 100 level second semester. You have these courses here to register, and the same way we calculated the other one, 2 units and 1 unit 2,000, 3 units courses 2,500. Exams fee the same 1,000 up to for all the courses. The same way we summed it up to whatever amount we had here, we have 31,000. Now we'll be having compulsory fee of 18,000, no longer 36. From second semester 100 level onwards is 18,000. So every semester you pay 18,000 before you register your courses. That's the procedure, step by step. The 18,000 first, then course registrations last. Register for courses, then exams last. So that's how it works. And the total fee for second semester is 49,000. Okay, we go to 200 level first semester, and these are your courses for the 200 level first semester. The same math we did, but here if you are a direct entry student, you'll be adding just 107 to your courses, to these courses here. You'll be adding just 107. Is a compulsory for all direct entry, is a compulsory course for all direct entry students. So we have 27,500 as your registration fees plus 18,000 compulsory fee. You have 45,500 as a total fee for 200 level first semester. Then 200 level second semester, you have these courses here to register. Although out of these you could fail one and never rewrite it because 17 units is required of you, but passing all of them will boost your GPA, you know that. So your total fee is 45,500 for this semester, 200 level second semester. Then for 300 level first semester, these are your courses. This is now pure chemistry. You can see that, pure chemistry. So your fees, there's an error here. This is 3 units, but this 2,000 instead of 2,500, it appeared 3 times. So you'll be adding 1,500 to this, so making it 38,000, right? Making it 38,000 instead of 36,500. So your fee here is 38,000 for 300 level first semester. Then 300 level second semester, you have a SOS to attend, industrial training of 6 units. You'll be paying 10,000 for it actually, but no exam fee for it because there is no exam for it. So you sum your fees up as usual, you'll be getting 49,000 as your school fees for 300 level second semester. 400 level first semester. That's where you also take your project. It's 4 unit course, but the cost is 15,000. That's the standard. No exams for it. You also have a seminar here. No exam for it. So sum your fees up. You have 56,500. If you drop one of these courses, because 19 units is required for you to pass here, not all the 21. So if you drop one of the courses, then you'll be having less, maybe 3,000 naira less. You remove 3,000 for the course, it becomes 53,500. But if you're taking all of them, so that even if you fail one, you ignore it, it's still okay. Good. 400 level second semester. This is your final semester, and you have just 12 units, though you have concluded your project in the first semester. Okay, then you have a total of 36,000 to pay. So although you have carried or registered up to 176 credit units, then only 160 is required of you to be awarded a degree in Bachelor of Science Chemistry. So if you came in to direct entry, 130 will do that for you. If you came into direct entry with 130 units, you'll be awarded a degree.